Now, if you're using one of these test lights on a high-tech car like this, computer command control, get rid of it. That's not the way to go. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. What should you use? Well, it's right here, DVOM. Len, complex DVOM. Do you even know what it stands for?
I do. Digital volt ohm meter.
Awesome. A lot of people don't, and it's complex, but better yet, let's just demonstrate it, man. Let's show them volts. If I go ahead and I switch over to volts, it's just electronic pressure, and you're going across the battery, bam, 11.77. That's volts. You're going in parallel with the circuit. Now over here, ohms, it's kind of resistance, right? Everything has an ohmic value built into it. We got a horn right there. So if I slip over to the little omega sign, the horseshoe here, and just go across these two leads, give me a hand here, and that thing's reading ohms of resistance right now. So that's pretty easy. Everything should have a value. You can check the manufacturer specifications. When we're talking about amps, a little more complex though. I got to shunt the meter because I'm going to run the electrons through the meter. So I go over there. There you go. You already know, right? Disconnect the circuit. We'll go in series. And when we go in series with the circuit, the meter becomes part of the circuit. I'm going to have to beep the horn. And that's reading amps right through that circuit. So kind of complex, a lot of stuff going on here. You know, poking with electrical systems with a test light, that's not the way to go. Dumping any oil into these vehicles like we used to do with our old vehicles, you can't do that either, can you, Len?
You can't. And no matter what you're talking about, whether it's a passenger car, a light truck, or even power sports equipment, there is some technology on these vehicles. You've basically purchased yourself a rolling computer. And oil is no different. Every one of those pieces of equipment will have different needs from a lubrication standpoint, whether it's a DCT in a dual clutch transmission, whether it's a 0.16 in a hybrid, whether we're dealing with our favorite stop-start technology. All of it requires a specific lubrication. What's the point? There's two. Use a high-quality synthetic, as I always say, and number two, we've got those at AMSOIL.
Yeah, you do. Just go to AMSOIL.com and you can find everything Len just talked about.